Hello guys, welcome to my channel. First of all, wish you a very happy Father's Day in advance. And let's dedicate today's episode to each and everyone's father, including mine, who have always been by our side in every situation to support us, to help us, to guide us, and to make our life beautiful. So today's painting is surely going to be a very special one representing our dads or maybe any other fatherly figure who has played a very important role in our lives. So without any further ado, let's get started guys. So please stay tuned. So I'll be using an 8 by 10 inches canvas today and acrylic colors for today's painting. I have used Montmartre colors here, but any other acrylic color of any other brand will do the job quite well. But always try to use artist grade colors for your painting, especially on canvas, which will always give you very rich finish. Let's do the background first. So let me tell you here that the background will be that of a sunset scene. So we will start with a purple bluish sky, and then as we go downwards, you will see the sky transitioning into orangish and yellowish hues. Now it is very important to blend the colors really well to show the smooth transition of the colors. But trust me, it's very difficult to execute that with acrylic colors, which are very difficult to blend. So you have to get your techniques right. Always try to keep a spray bottle handy, which I always do, just to help your colors remain wet for longer time, which will give you the opportunity to be able to blend them well. But remember, don't spray too much water. Diluting your acrylic colors way too much leads to cracking of the colors when they get dry. So beware of that. The other trick is to work in smaller sections, especially if you are a beginner. And hey viewers, if you are liking this video, then please do give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload in my channel. So please go and check out all the videos and subscribe. Please, please, please. I wasn't really happy with the upper half of the sky because I thought that I got the paint a little dilute, which is why I got patches of white canvas at certain places, and so I am applying one more thicker coat of paint on it, as you can see here. I'm working on the lower half of the canvas now, which will be like a grassy mountain ground. And since this is a sunset picture, you'll be able to see a huge variation of colors here. So please try to notice all the details that I'm using. The upper half of the ground will be a little lighter and will have some brighter streaks of grasses here and there because it is receiving the light from the sunset, whereas the lowest half will be in the darker shade. Moving on to some more details in the sky, I'll be making some very soft clouds at certain places. We'll be making a tree here with a lot of branches, maybe a fall tree with bright orange and brown leaves. I'll be painting all the thin branches using a liner brush. And mind you, the branch here is looking pitch black in color due to the light, but I'm not using black here. It is always a very good practice to avoid using black in your painting. Actually, it tends to draw all the attention from the viewer and your main subject loses focus. So always use a darker shade of brown or raw umber if you have it. And if you don't have these colors, then please make them by using red, blue and a little bit of yellow. Painting some more branches here, which is why I'm speeding up the process since I'm repeating the same stroke. So I hope you won't be having any trouble following me. Time to paint the details on the ground now. I'll be using this fan brush that I have for painting the grasses. I know my fan brush is just too horrible, but I'll try my best to create something productive out of this. But I agree, I have to buy one proper fan brush very soon. Till then, please bear with me and this poor fan brush. I'm using different shades of brown, green and yellow for the grass, and I'm using a little white with the yellow for highlighting the grass at various places. Although it looks difficult, but trust me, it is very easy to create this effect. Just follow the type of strokes that I am using for this. It's extremely easy, and at the same time it gives a very realistic effect. I'm investing a lot of time in doing the grass just to give it a realistic touch, and I've tried to keep most of the process unedited and uncut so that it is easier for you to follow. Let's do the leaves now. And it is going to be very easy. Just dab your liner brush at different parts of the branches to create the effect of the leaves. And as always, try to paint the darker leaves first, and we will apply the lighter shades later. The tree is almost done now, and once we finish painting the leaves, we will move on to making a rough sketch of the main protagonists here, the dad and daughter duo. Let's start filling in colors and breathe life into the sketch. Getting back childhood memories, right? I know, this used to be one of my most favorite playtime with my dad. I just used to climb on his shoulder and order him to take me all around. Precious memories, right? Anyways, getting back to painting the clothes and adding the details. I am using my thin liner brush to add all the details here. I am going really slow because my canvas size is not that big, it's only 8 by 10 inches, and I am having to work on very small sections, so I'm going really slow with my round brush. But if you are a beginner, then try using your detailing brush to do these details. So our painting is done now. Please comment down below how you found this Father's Day special painting. This painting is really very special to me because it brings back all my childhood memories with my dad. I sincerely hope that it does the same to you. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please do share it with all your friends and family, and please help me grow. Please keep me motivated with all your likes, love and subscriptions. Wait. The varnishing is yet to be done. This will protect your painting from dust and dirt and will help the painting last longer. And now that the varnishing is done, it's time for me to say goodbye. Till then, keep painting and keep enjoying your art journey.